Hello friends, welcome all to my Bautigam Academy. Stay positive, work hard, make it happen. Today lecture we are going to study rank of matrix. So before going to study, we already mentioned that the matrix constituted by the array of elements which are left after deleting any row of columns or rows or both of a matrix is said to be submatrix, because the square submatrix of a matrix play an important role in deciding the rank of the matrix. Because if we have any matrix, each and every matrix have their unique rank. Okay, so that ranks, what is that rank, that we are going to calculate in this lecture. What is the minor of a matrix? If a given matrix A is a matrix of order m cross n, so m is nothing but a row and n is nothing but column, then the determinant of every square submatrix is called minor of a matrix. Okay, so I will give you one examples. If given matrix is A is nothing but 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then we can describe the minor of a matrix is nothing but 1 2 individual, these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, these individual numbers will give you the minor of the matrix with the order 1. Okay, so it is very important. Okay, and the order of 2 minor matrix is nothing but, if we eliminate, by the definition, if we eliminate the row or columns or both, we will get one minor matrix or submatrix. So that submatrix, determinant of that submatrix is nothing but minor matrix. So if we take this matrix, A matrix, if we eliminate this column and this row, you will get 1 2 4 by 4 pi. This is submatrix. So the determinant of this submatrix is nothing but minor matrix. Similar, if you eliminate this column and if you eliminate this row and this column, you will get 1 3 4 6. This is another one minor matrix. And if you eliminate this row and this column, you will get 2 3 5 6. This is another one minor matrix. Similar, if you eliminate this column and this row, you will get this one, and this row and this column, you will get 1 3 4 6. So like that, you will get 4 and 8 9 minor matrix you will get in from this given A matrix. Okay, so and then one specific important concept is, if you eliminate this row and this column, that means this primary row and the primary column, you will get 5 6 8 9 submatrix. So this submatrix is called a principal submatrix. Okay, so again one more time, if you eliminate this primary row and this primary column, you will get one submatrix. So that submatrix is nothing but principal submatrix. Okay, and again, if you eliminate this ending, that a last column and a last row of the given matrix, then you will get one submatrix. That submatrix is called the leading submatrix of a given matrix U, matrix A. Okay, so keep on these concepts in your mind, and we are going to define the rank of matrix. Okay, so rank of matrix, we are denoting this rank of matrix is nothing but row of A, which can define like this: a number row of A is belongs to natural numbers. Okay, it belongs to natural numbers, is said to be rank of matrix of a order m cross n. Okay, if it satisfies these both two conditions. So one is if there exists at least one non-zero minor of order n. Okay, and one more condition, all the minor of order r plus 1 should be vanished. Okay, if it is satisfied these two, then we can easily find the rank of matrix. Okay, so that we can directly tell if they given the A cross A matrix with n cross n. So n cross n means what is that? It is a square matrix. If it is square matrix, it is either 2 cross 2 matrix. Square matrix means 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3. So any square matrix is given, the first determinant of that matrix is equal to 0, means that rank of matrix is not the order of given matrix. It should be less than the order of given matrix. Okay, and another condition, if given matrix n cross n square matrix, that determinant equal to 0, means that rank is equal to n. Okay, equal to n. N is nothing but order of given matrix. So that order is nothing but, if it is given 2 cross 2 matrix, means order is nothing but 2. Okay, so if the 2 cross 2 matrix determinant is 0, means that rank of matrix is 1 because order is 2. So your given rank is less than 1. So minimum rank of matrix is 1. Maximum rank of matrix is that order of that given matrix. Okay, that all concept you have to be remember. Okay, so if it is given 3 cross 3 matrix, means if the determinant is not equal to 0, means we can directly give the rank of matrix of that given matrix is nothing but 3. Okay, and some important concept of rank of matrix is, the first one is the rank of null matrix is 0 because we are having the null matrix, means we are having the element is 0. So null matrix is 0, and the rank of diagonal matrix. So very important, if you are having the diagonal matrix, so diagonal matrix I explained to you. So diagonal matrix means that element only present in the diagonal, non-zero element present only in the diagonal, remaining all the zeros. Okay, if you are having the diagonal matrix, the rank of that matrix is nothing but the number of non-zero diagonal elements. Okay, if we have number of non-zero diagonal elements, then we can easily find the rank of matrix. So take the first example for this. So here it is the diagonal matrix because here only diagonal element is non-zero, remainings are 0. So then we are calling this is diagonal matrix. See here, so number of non-zero diagonal element is 1, 2, 3. So 3. So rank of matrix for this matrix is nothing but 3. Okay, so another one example, this also diagonal matrix because this is 3 cross 3 matrix, and here is only diagonal element is non-zero, and in this diagonal element we are having only 2 row only we are having non-zero element, and third row we are having the 0 element. Okay, so that is the reason we are calling the rank of this matrix is nothing but 2 because we are having two rows only we are having non-zero diagonal element. Okay, remember third one we are having 0, but here if you see here 3 rows are having the non-zero diagonal element. That is the reason we are this matrix are getting the rank is 3, but here is we are having only 2 rows is non-zero element. So this matrix rank of this matrix is 2. Okay, and one more important point is rank of triangular matrix. Triangular matrix having 2 types, one is upper triangular and lower triangular. If we have anything upper or lower, the rank of upper and lower triangular matrix have nothing but the number of non-zero rows. Okay, number of non-zero rows. See, this is a one example for upper triangular, because upper triangular we should have 0 element in lower this part and non-zero element in upper this part. Okay, so then we can call it, this is as a upper triangular matrix. And upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix, the rank of matrix is nothing but the number of non-zero rows. Okay, this is row 1, row 2, row 3. So number of non-zero rows is nothing but 3 rows. So rank of matrix is nothing but 3. Okay, so take it here also. So this is first row, second row, third row. So this third row we are having all the element is 0, but first row and second row we are having non-zero. So that means rank of matrix, this matrix is 2. Okay, similar here is, this is lower triangular matrix. See very careful, this is first row, second row. First row also we are having non-zero element 1, and the second row also we are having 2 non-zero element, and the third row we are having 2 non-zero elements. So that means the rank of matrix is equal to 2. Okay, so like that we can easily find the rank of matrix for upper triangle, lower triangle, or diagonal matrix. Okay, and some other important points are, this is the rank of given matrix is equal to rank of transpose of that matrix. Okay, so that is equal, and another point is rank of sum of 2 matrix. With 2 matrix means with 2 equal order matrix A plus B, it is less than or equal to sum of individual A matrix, rank of individual A matrix plus rank of individual B matrix, and sum of A minus B matrix, rank of A minus B matrix is greater than or equal to the individual A matrix, rank of A matrix minus individual rank of B matrix. Okay, and another one important point is the rank of matrix of identity. If it is nth order, okay, it may be 2 cross 2, 3 cross 2, any orders. Okay, that rank is, it is equal to n. Okay, and this is we can easily define by diagonal matrix also. In diagonal matrix, this is nothing but diagonal matrix, right? Only diagonal element are having non-zero element, and these all 1, so it is 1. That is the reason another definition we are defining it is as the identity matrix. Okay, and so similar diagonal matrix here also, the number of non-zero diagonal element is nothing but the rank of given matrix. Okay, if you have it is 2 cross 2 matrix, okay, here 2 number of element is non-zero, so that means the rank of this matrix is equal to 2. Okay, so here also you take this is first row, second row, third row. So in third 3 rows we are having non-zero diagonal element, so that means the rank of this matrix is 3. Okay, here is 4 rows, so 1 2 3 4 rows we are having non-zero diagonal element, we are having 4, because see here this is 3 cross 3 matrix, this is 4 cross 4 matrix, so we can easily define. So this is nth order of this is identity matrix, that rank is equal to n. Okay, if it is 2 cross 2, the rank is 2, 3 cross 3, if rank is 3, 4 cross 4, it is rank is 4. So like this simple questions may possible to come into set exams and some gate exams, you will get it.